In this video, we're going to be talking about Ecomi. We're going to be checking out the price, analyzing the price, giving a technical analysis to see where the price is going. As well as that, we're going to be checking out the Twitter page to see if we've had any new news or anything, or new updates or anything. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into Ecomi, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see on CoinMarketCap, Ecomi is currently down 11.34% at the time of recording. You can see the current price is at 0.005214. We're overall bearish on the daily. You can see here on the chart that CoinMarketCap do provide. You can see that the chart here, we did have a little green bit on the daily, and then from then on we just became bearish, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So pretty much overall in a bear trend. But if we check on the weekly to see what is going on, we can see that overall on the weekly, we were pretty much just moving towards the side, nothing major, just consolidating in price. And then from today on, I think from the 17th onwards, we've just been bearish, pretty much making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, pretty much continuing to a bear trend. But if we check on the monthly, we can see that we are now made a new lower low from these previous lows. So it looks like we're pretty much taking all the liquidity out and pretty much still overall bearish. From this was back in the 22nd of January. So yeah, you can see that we did have a huge reaction from these. Pretty much a little accumulation phase in my opinion, and then from here we just pretty much the prices just failed to break above it. So yeah. But if we check on the quarterly, we can see that price is still overall bearish. I think this is mainly due to the current market conditions of Bitcoin as well. That the Bitcoin is around 40,000, and yeah, we're down by 30k. So yeah, it's not looking too good for all the altcoins in general. But it's probably the best time to buy and probably get an easy 2 or 3x from your initial investment. So but if we check on the yearly, we can see over here we're still overall in the green zone. We did make a new high that we were at 0.013. This was back in the 19th of the 3rd in 2020. So that was a long way away. That was a long way. But let's quickly check on the overall market, how the overall market is doing. So you can see on the overall market, you see the global crypto market cap is at 1.93 trillion at the time of recording. The overall market is up 6.17% over the last day. You can see Bitcoin at 40k, Ethereum down at 2.75k. You can see on the daily we've pretty much been bearish, down 0.64%. Ethereum down 1.95. But if you can check on the weekly, we can see on the weekly we're down 6.25. So pretty much looking overall bearish for the overall market. But if we quickly check onto Ecomi's Twitter page, we can see here that they've posted this on the 28th, and the in-app migration of Omi is now complete. Here's what you need to know. Any OMI in the Vive app is now on layer 2. This means that you can only send it to L2 wallet. So that's a new migration that did occur for Vive. If you do not know about Vive, Vive is essentially just an NFT platform where you can buy pretty much, I think it's Marvel or yeah, I think it's Marvel. I do have a video on it, but yeah, you can check the video out. And it just pretty much explains what Ecomi is. But looking at the overall tweets, you can see head over to Discord, nothing major. New to the fam, join us in the series. So nothing major, nothing crazy occurring. So yeah, let's quickly check on to Evai.io before we head into the charts. So as you can see on Evai.io, Ecomi is currently a rating of C2. C2 is still a reasonable good rating. Let's quickly check on the peak end value and demand, which is a C2. You can see the firm profitability is an A1, so great amount of profitability. You can see the moving averages. You can see the Sharpe ratio, which is a D. as well as that you can see the fear and greed index, which is at D, and then you can see the Amihud ratio, which is also a rating D. So pretty much the best thing about this is probably the profitability firm. The firm profitability is an A1, so there's good profit to be made within this coin. So now we are here on the trading view charts. We can have a more in-depth analysis of Ecomi. So as you can see here, from this zone we did, okay, let me destroy this, let me just get rid of this, all this. So as you can see here, we have tested this high multiple times, but we have failed to break above it each time. In my opinion, I feel like this is a very strong resistance zone, a strong supply zone. In my opinion, yeah, strong supply zone, and you can see here it is now coming to this demand zone. So this is probably a demand zone that has possibly been tested multiple times. Let me just say, I'll probably say this is probably a good demand zone. Yeah, so so pretty much we're just in an overall consolidation phase. If you check the daily, we did have an accumulation phase play out, but it failed to break the new all-time, to make a new all-time high, and pretty much reach a new high. But it just depends. I think this is an older chart. This thing is a newer chart, in fact, which doesn't show pretty much the overall, the whole price action of before. But pretty much we've just been failing to make a new high past this. So yeah, we're just gonna have to wait and see how price reacts. We're just gonna have to wait and see how it reacts down here. If we drop into the 4 hour, let's quickly have a more in-depth analysis of Ecomi. So as you can see, Ecomi is now making lower lows and lower lows and lower highs. So yeah, we can see that this is a strong, I think in my opinion, this would possibly be the demand zone that we respect, possibly liquidate all of these weak buyers in this position, liquidate everyone in these two positions, and then from this position tap into this region, and then from this region onwards, hopefully we can have an accumulation phase or even just a tap in. You never know how the market reacts. Just have to wait and see what occurs. But if we do have an accumulation phase from this demand zone, we could possibly be seeing ourselves back up, going towards 0.01. Yeah, so that is my main target. But yeah, we do have a bright future ahead of Ecomi. They got good technology, they got great vision. Make sure you check them out, and before investing into them, please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 500 subs, and peace.